a second hand unwind. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I will be waiting. Time after time. Oh, time after time. Oh, time after time. Time after time. I saw you down the motorway. There was something about you that day. I can still hear the shimmering sound. The hill is near, let's get right up. Walk up to the very top. We couldn't tell the sky from the ground.
Siguro hindi kayo maniniwala, pero walang ganong ligawan na nangyari. Naramdaman niya, na mahal niya ako, pinakita ko na mahal ko siya, then it's a mutual understanding na lang kami na. Kasi sa akin, umpisa pa lang alam ko na siya na yung the one. Siguro, yun din yung naramdaman niya. Kaya hindi na namin pinatagal.
Despite all, you're my best friend.
Before you demand love from the other, you are receiving well from your Father and from our Lord Jesus Christ.
Sorry. Salamat, Shopee. Ang lungkot.
Lahat mabait siya. Pagpasensya, yun lang. Haba ng pasensya, sobra. Kaya sa akin. Oh, naiyak ako!
We're walking together through any weather.
Kinakabahan na excited. Mixed emotion.
Mixed emotions actually. Kasi mapapangasawa ko na yung pinakamamahal kong babae.
Can't go anywhere.
Simula yung love story namin, naging magkatrabaho kami. Actually, parehas kami ng school.
Sa school, parehas kami nagtutulong.
Lagi kaming nagkikita sa canteen.
Nung college kami, sabi niya nakikita niya na daw ako, pero siya, hindi ko pa siya napapansin.
Hindi pa namin kilala isa't isa. Then, pagka-graduate, parehas kaming nagturo at doon na nag-start yung aming relationship.
Thank you! Wow, charger! Yay! Charger ng iPhone! Thank you!
You know what? I love you so much.
I love you too.
So this is the day that you will be Mrs. Pescado.
Huwag masyado.
Like to cry, but I love her so much. I wish her blessed family. Yun lang po. Ma-bless silang dalawa ni Baby.
I promise to love you forever, be by your side through all the ups and downs.
Sa anak ko na maging mabuting ama at mabait na asawa.
Naiyak na ako.
Alam, spend sa tayo mo palagi. Kahit LDR tayo, nagkakaroon ka ng time para mag-usap tayo. Kahit na yung work time natin hindi parehas, still, may time ko pa rin for me. Kasi sa 9 years, siguro sa best na kami nag-away or dalawa. Sobrang cool niya. See you later. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, love. ito na, konting tiis na lang, pangarap natin, matutupad na. Salamat sa hindi pagbitaw. Pangako ko na mamahalin kita hanggang sa dulo. Mahal na mahal kita. Napaka-blessed ko po kasi today is my birthday. At ito po yung gift ni Lord sa akin, ang ikasal sa pinakamamahal kong babae.
Hangad ko ang kaligayahan mo na. Sana maging masaya ka na.
Ay, thank you.
My prayer, and I see this, you will not just be a great example of what a marriage ought to be, but you will also show the kind of love Jesus has for us through your lives. This is the purpose of marriage. Everything points to Him.